is the 21st of September. It got here yesterday. No one was there to sign for the package, though. So, here we go. What am I even cutting? Just cut across the top, I guess. So, I ordered this on the 5th, so it took 2 weeks, like they estimated, plus, so 2 weeks and 1 day. That's not bad, so that's 15 days. As compared, especially compared to their main website, which I hear takes much longer. Alright, it's almost open, guys. I'm excited. I wanted to do this on YouTube because I didn't see many Saberforge chosen unboxings or reviews, so I'll probably have a review out in about a week. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? We'll get to the blade in a second. I want to see everything that came. Alright. I'm gonna cut this open, I think. It feels like a Covertech clip. That's odd. Because they don't give that an option to get one. Oh no, it's not a Covertech clip. That is most definitely not. Oh no, that is. Awesome. Oh, this is a really smooth one as well. Alright, so we have the Saber charger. So this is an in-hilt recharge. Oh, that's even better, dude. Here's the Allen key. Alright. This is a veteran chosen, by the way. So, thank you very much, Melissa from Saberforge's Etsy. She is the one that allowed me to get the blade plug as part of just a happy holidays, a very nice gesture. So don't go over there saying, "Oh, you gave him a blade plug, you should give me one." No. No. It was just a very nice act. Oh, it's beautiful. It's super cold, but I think that that's just because of how cold it is outside, and it's been here for about an hour now. Just outside waiting. Oh my god. It's really cold. I wish that you could feel how cold this thing is. It's incredibly cold. Did the... Wait. Did the blade plug just... The blade plug just broke. This might not be good. So, this blade plug is supposed to come off with the rest of it. That didn't happen. It's a little worrying. Give me a second while I try and fix this. Actually.
Saberforge for Radiant.
Saberforge, Crimson. Saberforge, Gunmetal.
Saberforge.
Saberforge,
Saberforge. Saberforge for Radiant.
Just need to make sure that's the thin neck blade plug they gave me. If it doesn't,
Saberforge. Crimson. Saberforge. Crimson.
you know, tighten this blade or tension screw so that I can roll it around. It doesn't look like it's a thin neck blade though, is the only thing that's a little concerning to me.
Saberforge. Saberforge. Gunmetal.
The blade is kind of shaky, which is a little worrying. The hilt itself is super nice. Yeah, I'm thinking that, yeah, especially because it's coming out. Because the blade is literally coming out, I'm thinking that this isn't a thin neck blade. It's not, yeah. That stinks. I'm gonna have to get one then, I guess. Hopefully their customer service can help me with that. That is a shame, gotta say. But still super cool without it. Look at that, it's amazing. Let's see. So I ordered a singular CoverTech clip off Amazon. This one came with the knob and everything. I get this one. They then send me this one. No reason at all. And this one. Again, no reason at all. Well, let's see. Looks like it holds it pretty well.
Saberforge, Viridian. Saberforge, Viridian.
I'm just gonna blind you. I just realized if I shine it right at you. That's super cool. I'll shine it at the ceiling so you see what it looks like. That is awesome. Let's see. I'm tempted to put the kill key back in, but I'm worried that it's gonna break. You know, only because the thing. Okay, so if I just put that in, the light turns off. Let's look at the battery. maybe you don't get it out through here. It says that the pommel is also unscrewable, so I wonder if you get the battery out through here. Nope, because that's only... that looks really weird. So a tiny bit of the pommel, the neck, not the neck, but the... not the pommel, the emitter, sorry. It's not a nice noise. Is unscrewable. I'm wondering... oh, I'm being an idiot. Of course the battery doesn't come out. It's in-hilt recharge, which is amazing. I didn't expect it at all. So this will get really warm then, I think. Let me look at this. Just their logo and the world's brightest and most durable sabers. Just the operations. It's odd. That's really weird. So they have warrior, champion, and hero tier on here covered, but not veteran. Like the instructions for it. It's weird. So yeah, this isn't a thin neck blade, it looks like. It's just a normal one. So I guess I'll write to Saberforge on Etsy or something about that, because, you know, it should be a full one, unless I can maybe put it in now. But well, it feels like it's further down, actually. Maybe this is a thin neck.
Saberforge, Meridian.
Saberforge.
Saberforge, Meridian. Saberforge, Meridian.
The blade is super heavy. It feels like it's balanced right about here. Yeah, it's just about here. Right, maybe not. Yeah, but the blade, this is a 32-inch blade. Because it's already, now this is the longest blade I have. It's awesome. Alright, yeah, I'll have a review coming out soon. Subscribe if you want to like the video for more Saberforge. Alright, but would I recommend Etsy? Yes. Customer service is amazing on Etsy, especially. You could tell that they weren't joking around with it. It's, oh, and this hill, it's amazing. I don't know why you're still watching this video. Go buy Saberforge.